Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the VIZIO Error Code E003-1. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, there is no specific information on when exactly this error occurs or what causes it. However, based on limited information, the error appears to be a temporary issue possibly related to the system or network. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device after a few seconds. Once your device restarts, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try power cycling your device and internet. To do this, turn off your device and unplug it from the power source. Then turn off your router and unplug it too. Then wait for a few minutes. Then plug them back in and turn them on. Then check for the error again. At last, if nothing helps, then we recommend contacting VIZIO support and share the error code with them. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.